Dear students, good morning. Today, myself Ranjana Mishra taking the class of biology. The topic is life processes. Students, you know, in our environment, having different types of living or non-living substances found. You have defined what are the living substances and you can define what are the non-living substances. According to its function, we can define the different types of characteristics of living substances and then non-living substances. The living substances can move themselves. You know, living substances as like frog jump in the water, the reptiles quarreling in the earth, and birds fly in the sky, and human beings go one place to another place. These are the functions of the movement. So, living things can move themselves, either plants or movement, having movement. How they can move? Plants can move by the process of movement of the sun. They can move one place. They cannot move one place to another, but they can move according the rays of the sunlight. Here is the flower of the sunflower and the sun and the above. The sunlight comes the flower, and when the sun begin to right side, the flower can bend to right side. Second, they need food, air and water. Dear students, the animals are either plants, they can having taking food for energy, and air and water for survive in the earth. So we can say when they take food they get energy, and the water they can get to survive in the earth. On the earth they can grow. Living beings can grow. How they can grow? Either plants or animals not having the specific places where they stand. When the cells of the plants and animals grow, the body can raise upward, and flowers can divide one cell to another cells, then tissue, then different organs of the plant. In this way, the animals can grow on a limit age, and plants grow on limit age. That when they grow developed on the limit age, hence they stand one place. And the plants grow, divided the cells, divided the tissues and divided the organ. When we grow a plant, we can see the seed of the plant divided into upward sections upward, and then root side in the downward. Upward and downward grow the stems or the cells, leaves grow, then flowers grow, then fruit grow, and at a limit time the plant cannot grow, they can stand. As like plants, the animals grow in a limit time of age, and they can stand oneself. The tissues, when the tissues or the cells of the human beings are not grow, they cannot grow above. They cannot develop upward. Here we learn they are the topic, they are sensitive. Sensitive is, it means having to respond and other. It means the plants of the mimosa pudica, that is, you can say, the chui mui plant. When you touch the plant part of the leaf, the plant can smoothly rounded, and when you again touch, the plant can round, and when you set them, get rid of the plants can at the normal stage. In this way, when you put the finger on the fire, on the cold water, your mindset, nervous system said that is the fire you can burn, you can cold. So when the nervous ordered the mind, you can already come back to your fingers from the fire to cold. Here again we learn the topic, they can respire. The human beings can respire, taking the oxygen and comes out the carbon dioxide. As like animals, plants are taking the oxygen, plants are taking the carbon dioxide for making the photosynthesis, use the photosynthesis and respire for the stomatal portion of oxygen. Plants and animals having a life cycle created, then the carbon dioxide generated by human beings, plant can absorb, and oxygen given by the plants, animals can absorb. So the respiration is the very necessary process of living beings. Again we learn the topic excrete. Excrete means waste material dropped from the body substances, surface of the body. Either plants or animals cells. Sometimes in plants the water substances are the discharged by the plants, and the animals excrete the water and raw material from the body. Again we learn the topic reproduce. Reproduction is the very necessary process of the living beings, because when the reproduction is not occur, young ones are not developed. So the new generation where from you and I are formed. For next generation develop, the plants and animals can reproduce. So reproduction is the very necessary part of the living beings. Here are some necessary part of the living beings that are caused by the living things. These processes when not occur in non-living things, any of the characters are not found, because they can non-living, and their characters, where the characters are found in the animals or plants, that is called the living beings or alive. Hence again we say, what is the definition of life process? The basic functions performed by the living organism to maintain their life on the earth, that is called the life processes. Life processes is a necessary function of your life. When these processes are completed in your body, you can say you are alive. You can say you are work for another function, and you can so say that your life is settled on the earth. Hence again we repeat, what are the living things characters? Characters are living things. These are, they can move, they can take food, air and water, they can grow, they can sensitive, they can respire, they can excrete, and they can reproduce. What is the definition of the life processes? Life processes are the basic functions performed by the living organism, either plant or animal, to maintain their life on the earth, that is called the life processes. Thanks.